friends. Barney's Great Adventure, the movie. The chase is on. Barney and his friends discover a big egg in the barn.
This is a very special egg,
explains Barney to Cody, Marcella, and Abby.
It came from outer space.
Where did the egg go? BJ took it to Miss Goldfinch's treehouse, says Baby Bop.
Follow that egg,
says Barney. Where did the egg go? It fell out of the window and landed in the birdseed truck, exclaimed BJ and Miss Goldfinch.
Follow that egg,
says Barney. Where did the egg go? It bounced out of the truck and landed in the middle of the parade, chuckles the clown.
Follow that egg,
says Barney. Where did the egg go?
Someone took it into that restaurant,
shouts the tuba player.
Follow that egg,
says Barney. Where did the egg go?
Someone just delivered it to the circus,
proclaims the snobby waiter.
Follow that egg,
says Barney. Where did the egg go? I just tossed it to that man on stilts, jokes the juggler.
Follow that egg,
says Barney. Where did the egg go?
The collector took it up in his hot air balloon,
calls down a man on stilts.
Follow that egg,
says Barney. Where did the egg go? The man is trying to throw it to us, says Cody. Here it comes. And there it goes, says Abby.
Follow that egg,
says Barney. Where did the egg go? Abby catches the egg just in the nick of time.
Good catch, Abby,
laughs Barney as their plane flies through a haystack and lands with a bump. Follow that egg, shouts BJ. Where did the egg go? Barney put the egg back in the barn, says Cody.
Look,
exclaims Barney.
The egg is starting to hatch. I want everyone to meet Twinkin the Dream Maker,
says Barney. Look, says Baby Bop. Twinkin is flying out the window. Where is he going?
Here we go again,
says Barney.
Follow that Twinkin.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Barney stories, check out my Barney playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. Stay safe, and we'll see you all next time.